It's a bilingual bear memory game. Nature. Plant. Pine tree. Tree. Flower. Cactus. Remember where the cards are. Let's play. Where's the tree? Where's the tree? Here's the tree. Which card is the flower? Which card is the flower? This card is the flower. Where is the plant? Where is the plant? Here's the plant. Which card is the pine tree? Which card is the pine tree? This card is the pine tree. What is this? This plant has thorns that poke. This is the cactus. Great job! Let's review. Plant. Pine tree. Tree. Flower. Cactus.